All right, hi everyone. I am here at the bookstore. I'm joined by our bookstore manager, John Acero. You can see John over there. We're going to social distance a little bit in this one, but we wanted to provide you an update on the bookstore and what's available and how you can use the bookstore to get the books you need for classes. So, John, tell me about how students can get their books.
Mark, our preference is that they're actually ordering online, and we are open to limited contact sales at our walk-up window, and you can pick up your online orders at the door of the bookstore as well. So if you could do those things, we would really appreciate it.
All right, so if a student wants to come in and pick up books, they and do the order process here or pick up what they've ordered online, they can just park in lot 1 and walk on over.
Yep, they can walk over to the door, and we have our orders right at the door so that there's not a lot of running around.
Great. And give me the hours one more time, John.
Monday through Thursday, we're open from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., and Friday, we're open from 8 o'clock to noon.
All right. And the website, they can just visit our campus website and link right over to you, right?
Yeah, they can link right over to us there.
All right. Sounds great. John, thank you very much. I'm glad we had a chance to bump into each other.
Take care, Mark.
All
Thank
right.
you.